here to present a thought for the day. Today's thought is, hard work is the bitter pill you have to swallow to produce a beautiful tomorrow. Don't shy away from working hard. I repeat my thought. Hard work is the bitter pill you have to swallow to produce a beautiful tomorrow. Don't shy away from working hard. It means when we are working hard, we feel very sad. But always, hard work gives a success. So we should not stop working hard. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a good day.